Dear friends, on behalf of Confident Communication Services, we are starting a 30-day challenge to help students master their English language vocabulary in 30 days time. We are starting with 10 words a day, 2 usages, synonyms which means words having similar meaning, and antonyms which means words having opposite meaning of each word with some usages. Today's word is aberrant. This vocabulary can be useful for daily usage, HR interviews, GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, GMAT, CAT and UPSC exams. In terms of meaning, the word aberrant is primarily used as an adjective to describe something that deviates or strays from what is considered normal, typical, or expected. It suggests a departure from the standard or usual course, pattern, behavior, or belief. When applied to a person, it can imply a departure from conventional or accepted behavior, principles, or norms. Usage: her aberrant behavior at the party raised a few eyebrows. You can see the corresponding picture. Association of a word with a picture can be very helpful to remember the word. Another usage: the aberrant weather patterns this year have caused numerous disruptions. We see the corresponding picture where we see lots of cars lined up in a traffic but not able to move due to snowstorm. Now let's look at the synonyms of aberrant. We are already familiar with the term aberrant. To recall, the term aberrant is primarily used as an adjective to describe something that deviates or strays from what is considered normal, typical, or expected. The different synonyms for the word aberrant are deviant, anomalous, abnormal, irregular, unusual, peculiar, eccentric, odd, outlying, and atypical. One of the usage of the word deviant, his deviant behavior led to his expulsion from the school. As we can see in the picture, somebody is beating up his friend in school. This may lead to his expulsion from the school. Another synonym for the word aberrant is anomalous. A usage of the word anomalous: the sudden temperature drop in the middle of summer was an anomalous occurrence that left everyone puzzled. As you can see from the picture, somebody is shivering in summer due to the sudden drop in temperature. Another synonym for the word aberrant is irregular. An usage of the word irregular: the students' irregular attendance caused concern among the teachers. As you can see from the picture, a little girl is upset over something in the school, is not attending classes, or is perhaps not attending the school itself. So the teacher is trying to figure out what's going on and trying to assuage her feelings. I am purposefully using the word assuage. Assuage means to make an unpleasant feeling less strong. Let's now look at some of the antonyms of the word aberrant. Antonyms means words which have opposite meanings. Now let's look at some of the antonyms of the word aberrant. Some of the antonyms of the word aberrant are conforming, typical, normal, standard, regular, ordinary, usual, common, expected, and conventional. One of the usage of the word conforming She was praised for conforming to the dress code and wearing the appropriate attire for the event. You can see the corresponding picture to the right. Another antonym for the word aberrant is typical. An usage of the word typical: the sunset over the ocean was a typical sight on the coastal town. You can see the corresponding picture on the right. There is a sunset over a coastal town and it looks what it's supposed to look.